In today's video, I'm going to tell you in YouTube, right? You can actually set the shorts time limit. One of my viewers asked, can you just set the time limit for YouTube Shorts in Google TV? The answer is yes. I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube app. Okay, YouTube app. And then, by the way, this is a new feature that YouTube just added, Google just added. And then you just go to your profile pic there and then choose your settings. This is YouTube app. You will see a new feature called time management. Click on it. Time management, and you scroll down. There you could have it, the daily limit, shorts feed limit. Just activate it. And you can set the limit to 0 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. Maybe you can set it to 15 minutes. Okay, and it's set. So scrolling is paused after 15 minutes. Okay, but you may still see individual shots. At least this is like pause. Okay, yeah, just showing you that Google just allow this feature in YouTube app, so you can control it and also your Google TV as well. That's it. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.